Hi, today I'm very excited to talk about TubShroom, and it is a 26 pack of disposable drain covers, as you can see here. So what you want to do is put this in the bathtub, sink, or shower. And this is how they look individually. They're very thin. One thing that I like is that you don't have to grab all the hairs manually and still risk some hairs inside the drain because that can cause issues with the plumbing. So you want to remove this clear film, and then here this is sticky. This is very sticky, and you want to put it on the shower like that. And then after you finish taking a shower and all of this is full, it can be several showers, it doesn't matter. You just pull it from here from this tab, and then automatically goes to the garbage. So here is a little bit of, it has more of the clear film that I just removed. So you see this is the sticky part, and this attaches, and water and soap doesn't remove it, which is awesome. I hope you give them a try because this is a very good creative idea, and thank you for watching my video.